Hi, I'm Imre Killi, and today I'm going to run through how you can effectively demonstrate MotorScrubber's latest invention, Shock. Firstly, let's check that you have everything you need to perform a detailed cleaning demonstration. Every building has a large variety of cleaning challenges and many different floor types, so it's important to have with you the M-Case Pro, complete with the full range. Now you're equipped, ready to tackle any cleaning challenge and achieve the best possible results throughout your demonstration. Presentation is key. When you open up the case in front of your customer, the first impression is very important, so you need to make sure it's clean, neat and tidy. All the machines and brushes are in their correct place. The M-Case Pro has been specifically designed for professional cleaning teams. It has integrated wheels which allow you to easily transport the full range of equipment to any cleaning destination. Let's ask the customer, where would they like to test the machine? MotorScrubber was designed for detailed cleaning, so we get the best results in washrooms, stairs and all the smaller areas where bigger machines cannot reach. Now let's take a look inside the M-Case. M-Case will securely store one shock, one Jet 3, one Storm, our blade mopping system, and every brush and pad available in the range. If you can't clean it with what's in this case, then nothing will. Always start your demonstration with the power pack. MotorScrubber is powered by a lightweight battery power pack, which has been ergonomically designed for worker welfare. Professional cleaning teams use equipment for many hours every day. This power pack has a padded back support to ensure the user's back is supported straight and comfortable. There are two battery versions. We have standard and lithium. The power pack will give you up to 3 hours run time with the lithium battery and 50 minutes with our standard battery. Here in the top section, we have a commercial grade pump which applies solution to the floor. It's connected to a 1 litre solution bottle, which is on the belt. The power pack is also adjustable to any user. You have adjustable shoulder straps and an adjustable belt. Once you have the backpack on, you're now fully mobile and ready to clean anywhere. There's no trailing cable, you're ready to go. Explain to the customer that when the backpack is on, the load is spread across the waist and there's no load on the shoulders. Ask the client to try on the backpack so they can experience the padded back support and feel just how comfortable it is to wear. The benefit of our battery power pack is that when you're using the machine, the handle weight is only 470 grams in your hand. That's the same weight as a cup of coffee. Now let's take a look at Shock. Shock is our latest invention, designed for deep cleaning all the detail areas within a building. Washrooms, stairs, edges, and all those hard to reach areas where the bigger machines simply can't reach. Explain to your customer there are two ways to use Shock, depending on pad selection. The first way is to use deep cleaning pads, which are designed to restore the floor to a new condition. These can be used periodically, for example, once per week or once every couple of weeks. The floor will require drying after use when using the deep cleaning pads. Shock can also be used as a daily maintenance machine, thanks to the microfiber pad. This pad scrubs the floor and dries at the same time. The floor will look moist, similar to after when you've mopped the floor, but it will be dry within 3 minutes. Identify which floors your customer wants to clean and explain which pad will be best for this type of floor. It's important to try out 2 or 3 different pads on the demo to make sure you get the best results. Let's take a look at the machine. Starting at the head, Shock includes a removable weight kit which disconnects from underneath the machine. This allows you to switch between 2 weight modes. You can have heavyweight mode, which is ideal for floor cleaning where extra downforce is needed. And there's lightweight mode, which makes stair cleaning safer and also ideal for vertical surfaces like walls and baseboards. Now pass the machine to the customer with the weight kit inside so they can feel the difference of the machine with the weight kit in and with the weight kit out. Now let's look at the magnetic pad holder. This is a unique feature to Shock. You can color code the pad holder in the corners and also color code the pads to prevent cross-contamination between floor areas. For example, you could have a red pad holder for washrooms and you could have a green pad holder for kitchens. They simply just magnetically click into place. Simply attach the floor pad to the holder then place the mag plate on the floor and hover over it with shock. The mag plate will automatically align and click into place. This prevents the user from having to bend down on the floor every time they need to switch pads, and it eliminates back strain. Inside shock is our latest 5,000 RPM digital motor. It's this unique motor that allowed us to create the world's lowest profile cleaning head. The wings of the machine are only 50 millimeters high, so now you can clean underneath partitions, shelves, and benches. You can clean anywhere. Shock uses our latest 555 technology. What does 555 mean? Well, we use a 5 millimeter scrubbing circle to scrub the floor. We're scrubbing at 5,000 RPM with 5 kilograms of downforce. The machine scrubs the floor with a 5 millimeter scrubbing circle, which allows the fibers to sit into the texture to remove the dirt. If you compare that to a rotary machine, which has long bristles, the bristles tend to just skim over the high points of the floor, and they're not able to get deep into the texture. Let's show the customer the telescopic handle, which is fully adjustable to any user. Simply open up the clip and extend the handle until it hits your left hand. Your back should always be straight when using the machine. This allows the user to maintain a safe and comfortable cleaning posture. Thanks to Shock's powerful 5,000 RPM oscillation, the machine will clean with just water. Only water is required for general cleaning. In today's world, this is an important step towards sustainability by helping to reduce your chemical usage and water usage. However, there are still some special situations where chemical cleaning is necessary. If you have scale buildup in wet areas, then we would recommend a descaler chemical so it can help break down the scale. If you have grease in kitchens or factory environments, then you'll need a degreaser chemical to break that down. But for general dirt on office floors, normal floors, water is all you need. The powerful scrubbing motion will remove the dirt. Explain to the customer Shock is operated with two simple controls. You have the red switch to turn on the brush. This is a latching switch, so simply press it and let go. You then have the blue switch, which operates the pump to apply your solution. This is a demand switch. Simply hold it down for as long as needed to apply the required amount of cleaning solution. Show the customer how fluid is applied from the jet nozzle and how easy it is to control. This makes sure that only the necessary amount of solution is used, just the right quantity to release the dirt from the surface with no waste. By reducing the solution output, this significantly reduces the risk of slips and falls, as well as reducing overall water and chemical usage. So to connect the machine, you just get the connector and get this one, and you've got a red dot here and a red dot on here. You just line those up. That just clicks into place. And then this one, you take the water pipe and that just pushes into place like that. Now you're all connected, ready to go. Now let's show the customer how to use the machine. Show them first how to operate it, explaining that you should have a straight back, and just show them how easy it is to move the machine around. Explain that if the floor hasn't been cleaned for sometimes many months, then you may have to move a little bit slower in the beginning to get the best results. But once the floor is back up to perfect condition, then it's going to be much faster the next time you clean the floor. Shock's deep cleaning pads are designed to release the dirt. To recover the dirty solution, there are two methods. If you have a floor drain, simply squeegee the liquid directly into the drain with blade. This will instantly dry the floor. If there is no floor drain, then you can attach the A-fibre to the blade mopping system and dry the floor with the A-fibre, which will hold 500 ml of liquid. Shock can also be used with the microfiber pad for fast maintenance cleaning. The fibres will hold onto the residue and dry the surface. It will leave it slightly moist as it would do with mopping, but the floor will be dry within 3 minutes. We recommend that you have a quantity of the microfiber pads with you to ensure the floor will dry efficiently. Once one pad is full of dirt, then you need to change the pad. You can wash them 300 times. That's everything covered on the Shock product. There's a few other points to mention to the customer so they're aware of all the benefits with the MotorScrubber range. Another great advantage of our ergonomic power pack is that you can connect 3 different pieces of equipment. You can connect Shock, Jet 3 and Storm to the same battery power pack. Jet 3 with the stair brush, which has tall vertical bristles, is perfect for curved edges on flooring, which is very popular these days. Storm is a fast and efficient surface cleaning tool. You can replace your trigger sprays and increase your productivity for cleaning large areas, especially if you've got eye-level surfaces, tabletops, handrails, seating, and other high-traffic touch points. Once you have purchased the power pack and charger, adding these additional machines costs significantly less. To familiarize yourself with these machines in more detail, please check out our associated videos. There's a QR code on the handle which will help your cleaning teams scan the code and go directly to our how-to videos. Ask the customer how they currently store their equipment. Often cleaning cupboards have limited storage space. That's why we designed the wall dock, so you can store both your shock and blade cleaning system safely, keeping it neat and tidy on the wall. Cleaning teams can simply grab and go in seconds with this storage solution. Okay, so thank you for watching. We hope this video will help you build confidence and prepare you to effectively demonstrate our latest invention, shock.